I'll be showing you how to navigate through the MetaMask and also be able to purchase your Alternative Society NFTs. So the first thing you'll want to do is install the MetaMask extension in your browser, just like I've shown you in the other videos. And once you install the MetaMask in your browser and you go into connecting into your wallet, your Ethereum wallet, here on I have one of my wallets, and I'm going to show you how to purchase that Alternative Society NFT. So I'm right in the wallet where I need to buy my NFTs from, and this is in the MetaMask browser. So I will just go right to the browser itself, and it's already taking me to Opensea. So I will go into my Mint URL and make sure I copied the right URL from the Discord channel. And this is just for testing purposes. This is not the real minting website. So I'll put in the URL. Yes. Now we are at the user interface for the minting. And you can see all the details here. These are not the actual figures. This is just for testing and just to show you how to navigate around and purchase your Alternative Society NFTs. So here you will just go to connect your MetaMask. You click on connect button so we can connect the minting URL to the MetaMask wallet. And here it shows us how many NFTs we are trying to buy or mint. And I click on one. If you want to, you click on this to add up to 2. I go back here and I click buy. Then it's going to show me how much the cost is for that NFT. And also it's going to show you my gas fees and how much I'm going to likely spend. And for some reason, if you wanted to walk under gas fees or you want to reduce the gas fees, all you need to do is click on this button that says 0.0138 and you can edit it. But unfortunately, sometimes you could create an error if you go and reduce the gas cost or the gas fees. So now I will go ahead and hit confirm and make sure that my contract is I'm interacting with the right contract. And I click on this. Now this says transaction submit, and I'm waiting for confirmation. And now it shows it's busy trying to mint. Oh, it's successful. There you go. And you can click on this if you want to see the transaction that transpired, and it's going to open up. So now I can click on the Opensea button to see exactly what I just minted. So I go here. Now it's taking me to that. Right. So there you go. Now I can go here and I see the NFTs that I minted. Unfortunately, the pictures doesn't show this is a test net, but if you are on the real URL, you probably would see your NFTs here. And that's all for now.